Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Effective Arabic. This is lesson 27, which is going to be about prepositions of place. You're just gonna learn how to say things such as under, between, in front of, and so on. So, are you ready? Let's get started. So, the first expression is فوق. Again, فوق, which means on. For example, كتوبة فوق طاولة. Again, كتوبة فوق طاولة, which means the books are on the table. Let's see the next one. تحت. تحت, which means under. Let's put it in a sentence. الكلب تحت طاولة. Again, الكلب تحت طاولة. The dog is under the table. Number 3 is قبلت. قبلت, which means in front of. For example, كرة قبلت صندوق. Again, كرة قبلت صندوق. The ball is in front of the box. More. Again, more, which means behind. Let's put it in a sentence. كاين شي واحد مور الباب. كاين شي واحد مور الباب. There is someone behind the door. حدا. Again, حدا, which means next to. Let's put it in a sentence. الكلب ديالي كيعجبو يجلس حدايا. Again, الكلب ديالي كيعجبو يجلس حدايا. My dog loves to sit next to me. Number 6 is ف. ف, which means in. Let's see it in a sentence. شنو كاين في هاد الصندوق. Again, شنو كاين في هاد الصندوق. What's in the box? And the last one is بين. بين, which means between. الكلب بين الصندوق أو الكرة. Again, الكلب بين الصندوق أو الكرة. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have any question, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Until I see you again, goodbye for now. Bislama.